Yeah, the boys. It's Moey Dw here, as you know. Back with I guess a reaction video. I don't know what this really is. I saw it on, like, I'm not gonna lie, I saw it on TikTok. It's supposed to be like, you listen to it and it's like you're in some scary place. So I don't know, I don't really know the whole thing of it, but I saw people's reaction and they were shitting bricks. And I figured, you know, I was gonna check it out. I love this shit. Well, I love it. I love the adrenaline of shitting myself. And I figured I might as well record it because, as I've seen from my horror games, you just love it. So this is like an IRL, this is face cam and shit. I don't really know what to expect. I just know you're supposed to put earphones on, and it's better if you close your eyes. I don't know if I will. I mean, I don't know if you can even tell if my eyes are closed. Someone DM'd me on Insta the other day. Can you do a video without your sunnies? No? What do you think this is? Brother, do you think these come off? Even off camera? These don't come off. They don't. I sleep in them, shower, cuz, like, I go for, like, I always go for walks in them. That's pretty normal. But, brother, they don't come off, ever. Like, ever. Sorry, I wash my face with them on. Alright? Like, under here, you can't see it. But my bubble doesn't even cut there. There's just hair here. You know what I mean? It doesn't come off, cuz. Anyways, I'm pretty scared, like, I'm not gonna lie. But I guess we'll get into it. I don't know how loud I'm meant to make it, to be honest. But you know, we might start off on 0 and like never go up. Loco, Holophonic, some shit, I don't know what it's called. Okay. Oh fuck it, put headphones on. Closing your eyes is recommended. What's this volume on? I'll put it like there. Okay, I'll close my eyes. I don't know if you can hear it well. There's something on like the right side. It's like water tapping. As long as nothing just comes, it'll be alright, I think. My eyes are closed, I'm not gonna lie. But that sounds like you're there. Because someone just opened. What was that? I think I need to put it louder. Someone's running, cuz. I'll put it a bit louder. Maybe I'm fucking myself over putting it louder. Oh, fuck me dead! Cuz I looked at my door, I thought someone was I thought someone just busted in my door. I was ready to unjoin, cuz. Fuck off. Wait, 52 seconds? I think I'm done. That actually made me jump for a bit. Okay. Maybe I'll keep my eyes open just for safe measures. What the fuck was that? I'll close them again, Brother, is she alright? Also, what's this picture? What is this? That male breathing is making me uncomfortable. What is this? You know what this sounds like? You know, like all these doors opening and closing. You know Scooby-Doo, they go door to door to door. Like that's it. They got the music playing. It's just the bad guys. They go, like, I hope you know what I mean. Otherwise I sound stupid. Yeah, this is really weird. I feel like this is someone's fetish. I'm gonna put usually I put the sound down so you hear me over the sound, but I might put it up for you so you can play along. I don't know. Fuck me! Cause this cunt's having a fucking orgasm in my ear. Fuck me dead! Cause what's wrong with you? What are you screaming in my ear for? What are you doing? Oi, that fucking... Maybe I put the volume... I don't know if that was meant to be as scary as it was. Maybe I put the volume a little bit too loud. Fuck me dead. Oh my god, that fucking made me jump. It wasn't even like scary, it was just loud, bro. I've got sensitive ears, man. I'm scared to press play. I don't know what I'm doing. Fuck! I'm gonna put the volume down. 1 second, sorry. I had it like 70 because we're going to like 64 baby. Fuck me dead. How'd they go? Why are they laughing now? And the guy's still moaning. Is this like, this sounds like some fucking sex dungeon shit, cuz. I'm kinda like jealous, I wanna go. Are you hearing this? What the fuck is it? Shut the fuck up. He's laughing at me screaming. Wait, is she laughing or crying? Bro, it's like some white people shit. Oi. I know I look white, because I am white, but I'm not white, you know what I mean? Like, I'm still facing this way like I'm watching a video. I'm not even watching a video, I should have faced the camera. Yeah, my eyes are open now. I don't know what's going on. I feel like it's better if they're closed now. Who's Ben? Ben, she's looking for you, cuz. Is that what she's saying, Ben? But how long is this video, man? Not even halfway through, we're like barely halfway through. Ooh, you're really close to my ear. How about you give me my personal space and we'll be alright? Like, I'm doing that like there's someone there. But did you hear that? I hope you're watching with earphones, right? Like, I really hope he's out, because shit's fucking weird, bro.
No vengas, no vengas.
How many doors are in this place? Is this a door salesman or some shit? Who's Ben? Okay, now you're turning me on.
No,
Either
ya,
gonna...
ya, no, por favor, no.
Okay, eyes are closed again. I feel like it doesn't make that much of a difference with the eyes closed. Because I know I'm at home. I know I'm in my bedroom. As long as there's no more... I think I'll be alright, bro. What's it? How do people make this? Why did they make this? What's the purpose of this? I'm very... Fuck, someone's knocking. Who's there? Come in, enjoy the fun. What's happening? It's like Spanish or something. I'm guessing, I don't know, I could be completely wrong. She's calling Ben again, cuz. See, nothing's happening and I'm scared there's gonna be a big jump, well not like a jump scare, like a jump scare, jump scream or some shit. Is that a fucking harmonica? It's a harmonica. Sounds like Lil Wayne's about to start rapping. I'm ready for, cause that's a lot of flicks, cause I'm waiting for a 5 verse. It's a fucking demon, cuz. Brother, I am disturbed. I'm very creeped out right now. I don't know what's going on. But I'd like for it to end. How long's left? Fuck me. We got a minute, boys. You're doing right. Some guy's just flipping paper around. What's the point of that? What was that? Some guy just went. I swear that's what happened, wait. What the fuck was that, bro? Is it bad? I find this kind of funny now. Is it meant to be disturbing or creepy, or I just like imagine people making this, but yeah, like they got the Mikey. Loco, loco, loco. Or should I do an ASMR, cuz? Bro, that cut is on the biggest shit of his life. Or he's going Super Saiyan. One or the other. Is it scary for Christmas? I don't think like it'd be that scary if let's see. Thanks for watching. You're welcome. Cuz what the fuck was that? What the fuck? Loco, 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 loco. Bang. Bang. What the fuck did I just watch? I need to stop talking. And I'm having the time. That sounds retarded. What the fuck was that? Wait, I might do an ASMR. I just gave me the idea. I've got a fucking Blue Yeti, so I can do like side to side things. But what? I don't know what that was meant to be. Okay, yeah, it did scare me when I fucking screamed in my ear and it sounded like some kind just barged through my door. But besides that, it wasn't too bad. I was looking at people's reactions, and I guess I had the same reaction at those points. It's probably those 2 points. That was it. If there's anything else like that you've got, maybe that you can recommend. You know, I hate being scared, but it is funny sometimes. The Tucker Zone, a 3D sound experience. Okay, I'm gonna put this in watch later. I might do this one like another time. If you like this, I'll do another one. We'll see how it goes. And give me recommendations for. Oh, he's got the Tucker Zone too. We got a series out of this now. Hectic. So see how it goes. Anyways, yeah, I think that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Yeah, the fucking boys. I just realized I'm gonna shit myself editing this when I'm listening to it. I'm gonna have to put the volume all the way down. And yeah, laters.